Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to get Meteor Client for Minecraft. Let's get started. This will take you to the official Meteor Client page. Scroll down and click Download Meteor Client and wait a few seconds, then click Skip to start the download. Next, you'll need Fabric Loader and Fabric API. Download Fabric Loader for version 1.21.10, then download Fabric API for the same version. Once all three files are downloaded, move them to your desktop. Now open the Windows search bar and type App Data and press Enter. Open the Minecraft folder, then open the Mods folder. If you don't see Mods folder, create one and name it Mods. Then drag the Meteor Client file and Fabric API into the Mods folder. Next, double-click the Fabric installer, select Minecraft version 1.21.10 and make sure Install Client is selected and click Install. Now, open the Minecraft launcher and choose Minecraft Java Edition and select Fabric Loader 1.21.10 from the version list, then click play. Once Minecraft loads, you should see a Meteor Client on the main menu. Join a world, then press right shift and the Meteor menu will open, showing that everything is working correctly. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.